Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your news with Flipboard easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Flipboard app or website on your device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your avatar. Go to the Settings menu. Select the Privacy tab from the Settings options. Here, you will find several privacy settings to choose from. Check the option to make your profile private if you want to limit who can see your content. Review the content settings next. Adjust who can view your public content. Visit the Notifications section to manage alerts. Toggle off notifications if you prefer fewer distractions. Next, head back to the main page. Use the search bar to find topics that interest you. Save articles that you want to keep track of by clicking the plus icon. Create a collection to organize your saved articles. Name your collection for easy reference later. Share your collections with trusted contacts to collaborate on news curation. Engage with content creators whose articles you appreciate. Follow them to receive updates in your feed. Remember to regularly check your privacy settings. Adjust them as needed to ensure your news is protected. Lastly, explore the community guidelines to stay informed about best practices. By following these steps, you'll make the most of Flipboard while keeping your news secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.